4 ways to help nature this winter. Value the health benefits. Schedule regular outdoor time to de-stress and boost your physical and mental health. Feed the locals. Put out clean bird feeders stocked with peanuts, seeds and fat balls to attract garden birds. Notice what's nearby. Wrap up warm and explore local paths and parks to spot wildlife. Provide water for wildlife. From a simple saucer to a pond, crack any ice with a stick to ensure it doesn't freeze over. For more ways to help, visit our website, nature.scot/makespace.